Hi, Mystery. What's the matter?
I'm sad because I have run out of toys to sell. The Everything Emporium is toyless.
Maybe we could build some toys for you.
I have a special toy-making machine we can use.
We'll be right back with some toys, Mystery. Let's go! What kind of toy do you want to create? A vehicle, stuffy, or a toy house? Choose a toy to create. Toy house. Let's make Mystery another toy house. You can also make your own toy here. Mr. E wants the nightlight house. This toy house must be big enough for a big stuffy to fit inside and must have a body with lights powered by a battery. Tap the check mark when you're ready to create.
Let's start with this part of the toy. Choose the body of the toy house.
Ooh.
Make it bigger.
Make more changes to the toy or tap the check mark when you're done.
Add battery power to make it light up. Make it bigger. Thumbs up! Let's choose the next part of the toy. Choose a door.
Yeah!
Make it bigger. Paint it blue. You are working it out. Time to choose the last part of the toy. Choose an accessory.
Ooh.
Paint it pink. Make it bigger. Make it bigger.
When this toy has everything Mystery asked for, tap the arrow button to see the toy-making machine build this toy. Building time!
Building the body. Make it bigger. Add battery power to make it light up. Make it bigger. Building the door. Make it bigger. Paint it blue. Building the accessory. Paint it pink. Make it bigger. Make it bigger.
Yay! Look at our toy!
It's time to test the toy. What do you and your grown-up think will happen?
Tap the green play button when everyone's ready to start the test.
Is this toy house big enough for a big stuffy to fit inside?
Yes!
Does this toy house have a body with lights powered by a battery?
Yes! Woohoo! This toy has everything Mystery asked for.
Great work creating the toy I asked for.